Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to convert audio, video, and speech to text using a free AI transcriber called AiKo. It is an offline transcriber powered by OpenAI's Whisper technology and supports transcription in 100 languages. AiKo runs locally on your macOS and iOS devices, ensuring your privacy without the need for an internet connection. Let's get started. First, I double-click the AiKo transcriber icon to launch it. Its interface is simple and uncluttered. For this video, I have prepared a short audio and a video file to demonstrate how AiKo works. To convert my audio file into written text, I'll drag it over the window and wait for the AI transcriber to finish the process. It did a perfect job and the transcription is accurate. Next, I'll use a video file to be transcribed. It takes some time, depending on the length of your video. Everything happens right on your device without the need for an internet connection. AiKo transcribed the video file accurately. AiKo can also convert your speech or spoken words to text and support 100 different languages. Let's try the Japanese language first. I'll select the Japanese language from the menu. Click the record button to record my sentence and finally transcribe it by clicking the transcribe button. Gogo goji ni Tokyo eki 4番出口の前で会いましょう. Let's meet in front of Tokyo Station, exit 4 at 5 p.m. The transcription is accurate.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
Next, I'll try the Persian language. As before, I need to select it from the menu, record my sentence and transcribe it. آیا می توانید این نامه را به زبان آلمانی ترجمه کنید؟ Can you translate this letter into German? It perfectly transcribed my sentence. To download AiKo, visit the App Store and check if it's compatible with your device. I have already created a detailed tutorial on how to use AiKo, which you can access by clicking the link in the description box of this video or by clicking on it at the end of the video. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.